Hi everyone! Let's get our warm-up going. Remember, after I say it and Baby Echo looks at you, repeat it loud and proud. D, D. The drum comes first in the D, so it says D. H, I, O, ah. P, U, V, V. A, ah. WH, whistle, w. CH, chin, ch. ANG, fang, ang. A and K, bank, ink. ING, ring, ing. ONG, song, ong. UNG, long, ung. INK, pink, ink. ONK, honk, onk. UNK, junk, unk. And we're back to the beginning. Nice job. We've learned 2 R control vowels so far. Repeat after me. AR, car, R. OR, horn, or. Great job. It's time for our trick word battle. Who will say it first, you or me? Let's try. As, has, to, into, we, keep it up, he, she, be, me, for, or, you, your, I, they, was, one, said. How did you do? Did you beat me on most of the words? Good for you. Okay, friends. Last week we worked on blends, and that's where we have 2 consonants that are next to each other, have their own sounds, but have to blend from one to the next. Today, we're going to talk about consonant blend with a digraph, so we call it a digraph blend. Can you say that? Digraph blend. Okay, take a look. I am going to build a word. I'm gonna, whoopsies, I'm gonna zoom you in much closer. Okay, so look at this word here. It has 4 cards, 4 sounds, but it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. And here is where we have our digraph and our consonant. So there's a digraph blend at the end of the word. Let's tap it out together. U, n, ch. Lunch, lunch. And to mark this, we would put 1 line under the consonant and 1 line under the digraph to show that these each have their own sounds, but they have to be blended together at the end. Let me show you another example. This one has the digraph blend at the beginning. I'm going to borrow the U from lunch and put it right here. Take a look. Let's tap this one out together. Sh, b, shrub. A shrub is like a bush or a type of tree bush. And to mark it, we would put the line under the digraph and the line under the consonant. Sure, shrub. We have 2 of our own sounds, but we blend them together. Lunch and shrub. Digraph blends. Okay, to help you remember this, you need to go get your student notebook, and we are going to look at the definition of a digraph blend. So it's in the beginning where we have some spelling rules. It's in the part that says spelling on the side. Oh, I'm sorry, the sounds on the side. And here it is. It says we added last week, we added our blend. Now we need to add our digraph blend. Okay, and it says for you, a digraph is combined with another consonant. The digraph says it's sound. The consonant says it's sound too. So if you need to pause to find that, pause. And then what we're going to do is write both of these words on the lines right here, and we're going to mark them. So we will write unch and mark the digraph blend, and we will write sure and mark the digraph blend. Should look like that. Okay, pause here if you need more time to copy those in. Great job. Okay, it is time now for us to talk about a few more R control. Okay, we've done a couple of the R control sounds so far. A, R, car, R, and O, R, horn, or. It's time for us to learn and talk about these three. How exciting! So I'll say it and you echo it. ER, her, IR, bird, You are burn, Did you notice they all say Okay, 3 ways to do Very nice. What I want you to do, I hope you didn't put that notebook too far away. These sounds are in the beginning that when you find them, you are going to color. You already colored the AR and the OR, so you'll pause here and color the pictures, her, bird, and burn, and come back when you're finished. Pause here and color those sounds. Okay, I'm so glad you're back because it's time for a word of the day. Let me move these letters out of the way, and I'm going to build the word of the day. All right, my friends, can you read this word? Let's tap it. Elbows up. Sh, d, shred, shred. So let's see, what do we have in this word? Yeah, we have 4 sounds. We have a digraph and a consonant at the beginning that says sure, sure, just like shrub and shrink. This one is shred. What does shred mean? Yeah, to rip into little tiny pieces, to shred paper. So what could our sentence be for shred? I need to shred the paper? Yeah, maybe. Why would you shred paper? Oh, maybe it's like your bills. It has important information on it and you don't want other people to see, so you'd shred it and throw it out. Okay. I'm going to start with an uppercase and do space. I need to, it's just T-O, shred paper. P-A-R. Look, there's that ER at the end. ER, her, And I'll put a period at the end as well. I need to shred paper. I'm going to mark the digraph blend and scoop it. I need to shred paper. You know what to do now. When it's a word of the day, we enter it in our student notebook in the vocabulary area. So it starts with an S, so you need to go ahead and find the next S that's open, like on page 58, and enter in right here the word on top, shred, and the sentence below. So pause right here and don't forget to mark it. Did you pause? Make sure you pause it. Okay, if you're back, that tells me that you entered this all into your notebook. Let me hear you read the sentence. Very nice. Okay, you may put your student notebook away and you need to get out your magnet board, your tile board. I'm going to be doing some dictation on it. It's time for echo find letters. Repeat after me. All. Point to the letters that say all. What are the letters' names? Say it. A-L-L. Good. Repeat after me. Ink. Point to the letters that say ink. What are the letters' names? I-N-K. Good. Make sure you say it out loud. Repeat after me. Eh. Eh. Which letter says eh? E. Ed. Eh. Good. Repeat after me. Shh. Which letters say shh? S. H. Very good. Now we're going to build some words. You'll repeat after me. We'll tap it out together, and then we'll try to spell it out loud, and then you'll build it. Okay? Repeat after me. Look, I'm gonna pinch baby Echo. Can everyone say pinch? Elbows up. P, I, N, ch. Let's spell it. P, spell it out loud with me. I, pin, N, ch, ch. Go ahead and pause the video and build it. If you're back, that means you must have it done. Let's check yours to mine. Does yours say p-i-n-ch, pinch? Did you remember the N? If you just did this, what does it say? Itch. Or if you just did this, pin. We need both, the N and the CH. Okay, let's spell it away. Put this cards back in the right spot. P, I, N, CH. Okay, get ready for your next word, everybody. All of these words are going to have digraph blends. Are you ready for it? Okay. Squish. Tap it with me. S, qu, I, sh. Let's spell it. S, S, squ, qu, Q-U, I, sh, S-H. Pause here and build squish. Okay, if you're back, this is a fun word. Let's check closely. Check yours to mine. I said all these words would have a digraph blend. This one has a blend, but is QU a digraph? No, it's a buddy letter. So this technically is just a consonant blend, but we have a digraph at the end. So I'm going to circle this buddy letter. Don't circle yours. You're never going to write on yours at home. Squish, squish. How'd you do? Sometimes I see people that think the qu sound is a k sound, but that would say skish. The word was squish. Okay, spell it away, and that's it for today. Nice job, everyone. And